How to turn on or turn off auto scan for viruses and spyware when installing apps on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on device care. After that, scroll down and then tap on app protection. Now tap on the more button at the top, then tap on app protection settings. Now at the top here, make sure you turn on the toggle button to switch on app protection settings. And then go down and tap on auto scan when installing apps. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.